Hello and happy holidays. This is going to be a little bit of a different video.
But between getting ready for the holidays and the temperamental northwest weather, and on the last hike I did with the dogs, I got hit with a huge rock on the way home, so hard that it sprayed glass all the way back into the car, all over the passenger seat, so that my Xterra was not really legal to be driving. I wasn't able to put together an adventure video, so I'll show you what I'm working on now. Those of you who followed my trip to Alaska and back know how difficult the space was in my Xterra.
I'm in my 50s, that's not very old, but I do have some pretty bad arthritis, so I'm not quite as nimble or flexible as I would like to be. I am working on it. Yoga helps, hiking helps. I feel a lot of pain when I'm hiking and doing most of these adventures. Totally worth it. I don't want you feeling bad. I'm just kind of telling you what helped lead me to this decision to get a van. I did get a van I can stand up in. So now I can take longer trips. I'll be able to work from the van. I will be able to get out there and really explore some cool places, bring you some cool adventures. Well, I have no more savings. I bought this beautiful Ram Promaster 1500. This is the shorter wheelbase, 136. And I know a lot of you heard me complaining about being scrunched up when I was camping my Xterra. It is still a possibility to camp in my Xterra, but this should solve the issue. So this is my new adventure mobile. It is not new, it's new to me. And I will be working on fitting it out, but I'm going to do a low build, not a no build, since I am fortunate enough to not have to live in this full time. I want to make it comfortable for basically camping and traveling. So it'll have a lot of the amenities, but it's not going to have a bathroom. I'm not going to wire it for electric. I'm not going to put in a giant water tank. I have a Jackery 1000. I want to be able to work from it, so I've tested that at home, how long I can work from that. I'm going to run some battery operated lights, just low lights. This is the first thing that needs to go. Bear with me, let me know what you think of these. Feel free to not watch them if this is not something of interest to you. I am not an expert by any means. I'm learning as I go. There's a ton of great tutorials on YouTube and other places that I'm learning from. So my plan is to just show you little bits of the process as I go through, and probably just give you periodic updates, and then at the very end, hopefully a decent van tour. Showing the wrong connections. So these are the bolts that go to this part, but I also want this connector off. So I'm gonna try to take the 4 bolts out up here. Whoop, check it out. The cab's open to the back now. Kind of a before on a wheel well, and then after one coat of Rust-Oleum. So in the Northwest, condensation and temperature difference, especially in the winter, is definitely a problem. So I've had this little heater going so that it's a good temperature to roll out the first kill mat that I put down. I'm going to be putting down this sound deadening, this stuff right here. I need to roll that out. So today's projects are going to be to put a second coat anywhere that I put a first coat of Rust-Oleum that looks like it didn't get enough paint, and put on more kill mat. And then I'm going to put this 1/2 inch foam board down and then put the base floor back on. I'm also going to put Reflectix around the wheel wells. I only have about 4 hours of light, so I doubt I'm going to finish with all of that today. There, I've got a second coat of Rust-Oleum on all the little worn spots and scratches that I thought could possibly rust.
I gave it some time to dry and air out, and then got back to the soundproofing. Frodo says he's ready for an adventure now.
Well, this is as far as I got yesterday. Almost up to the middle. I have a lot more to go. My window is fixed, so I should be able to bring you some more good adventures soon.